what to say.
Oh, you haven't asked any fucking questions. It's meant to be question and answer session.
Is he taking this?
How many people do you want in the show?
Right, take
Who do you want
2.
in
10.
So, right, a couple of pasties now.
All together.
I don't want me in it.
We do.
Stand in front.
Right, then,
What do you think?
and speak up as well.
Qualities a skinhead needs to be a skinhead.
As good looking as me. That helps.
And me.
Yeah, Andrew, sorry.
Pretty as me.
How important is the look of a skinhead?
7.
You don't look like a skinhead, you're
You're
not
not
a
a
skinhead.
skinhead, eh?
What does it entail to look like a skinhead? What do you mean?
You're into your smile.
Short hair. Stop this.
You have to look smart instead of like something out of some black movie, looking all dressed.
Being a skinhead is being a feeling. It's the main thing. Yeah, feeling for life. How long you dress the way you want to dress. You dress the way that suits you in order to, your impression of a smart skinhead is.
Exactly, it's smart being the opposite word. Smart.
Right, so what do you think is the problem at the moment with the skinheads, this division that's running down the middle of it at the moment?
There's no division, then skinheads. We're pretty united, don't we?
Some people are skinheads, some people aren't.
You think that's the case? Do you think they were boneheads?
Depends what your impression of the skinhead is.
But what about
How many heavy metal bands did you see tonight? Did you see any, did you?
There's a big day, it's getting wider and wider, the golf there, so they've got nothing to do with this anymore. You can't even cling to it, it's just...
Have you had trouble from other skinheads? From the opposite side of it? It's been alright. Right. How long have you been running Zoot?
3 years.
What made you decide to start running that?
This is my 4th time today. We needed the money. That's his answer. No, it's just to see if anybody else was interested in the music.
See, I think Zoo is a good thing because it tells people what being a skinhead is all about. People that are too ignorant to understand what skinheads are. Okay? So, it shows the good side of skinheads, the side where you're multiracial, where you can like reggae, you can like ska, two-tones, anything you want. Yeah? You don't have to be branded, you don't have to be put into a pen like the sheep. People follow each other. Yeah? If you like Zoo, you're into ska, you're into ska music.
You agree with that? Yeah. You don't have to be a skinhead.
So we're the real skinheads. The Zoot Scar skinheads.
Yeah. Zoot skinheads.
One more question.
There you go. So have you got it's not for have you got this sort of, I call myself
Like Nazi.
more of a suede head, more of an early skinhead, the original skinhead.
Well, talk about what, because you were telling me the other night about all the different skinhead things you'd been through.
Yeah.
Right, so if you...
Well, are you going to take this?
Yeah.
Right.
But talk
When
to
I
the
was,
camera, but don't look into
when
the
you're
light.
young, and you get your first impressions of being a skinhead, people think, oh, I'll go out and I'll shave my head and I'll wear pair of boots, and I'll go to a few gigs and jump around and I'm a skinhead. But being a skinhead is more intricate. You've got to get into it. You've got to know, when you're a skinhead, you've got to know what you want out of being a skinhead, what you like. So many categories, what interests you, what interests you in being a skinhead, yeah? So you might start experiencing going to see different bands, which everyone does. First of all, we used to go and see a lot of boy bands, yeah? We used to go and see, for example, we used to go and see Exploited, or we used to go and see Foreskins earlier on. Yeah, and people started experiencing going to see Madness and Bad Manners, all the early bands, yeah? Then you have to make up your mind what you want, what you like, yeah? It doesn't matter whether you like seeing Pete and Tissue Babies and you like seeing Bad Manners or you like ska, so you're influenced by everything. And then as you get a bit older, then you can start categorising off what you want out of being a skinhead. If you want to be a noise skinhead, that's fair enough, yeah? But if you like ska, then you start getting more involved in listening to smart and being a real skinhead, buying the early ska records, and associated more with the early ska, and being an original skinhead. Original skinheads weren't like the US skinheads, you know. And you know, the style of dress is a lot different. You look smarter. You don't just come from abroad, from France, where they follow. They think that all English skinheads wear fucking Rangers and bleached jackets and cropped heads. All these other skinheads, all the US skinheads. Most of the skinheads come from abroad anyway. They're all from France, Italy, Germany.
Because they don't understand it.
They don't understand. They get influenced by what they hear, what they think. The stereotype skinhead, and that's what everyone else is influenced.
So what do you think about what's the future for skinheads and ska?
The future is if people explain like what you're trying to do, what real skinheads are about, so that the media will understand, and so that the average person in the street would understand. Yeah, so the skinheads lose their bad name. You're just labelled. You're labelled every time you go out. You're labelled every time you walk in a pub. You're labelled every time you go to a football match. You're labelled because you stand out because you're your crudity, the way you look. Every time people always get a bad objective about someone or the way they are. You've got skinhead just now as a troublemaker. Skinheads aren't like that. Skinheads shouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
It's the problem.
It's good.
With low battery as well, I said.
It's running out, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Well, thanks very much. I think you asked him.
Driving my car in Jamaica with the radio turned up high. I heard the sound of a kind of music that made my soul come alive. It's called ska. Dance ska in your waist, dance ska. With a smile on your face, they call it ska. A music of its own. The day that reggae was born.
In London, 1965, me and my family first arrived. We see some men was in the crumbly jacket, but they was making an awful racket.
Ska in the face, ska, ska in the waist, them dancing ska. All around the place, dancing ska, with a smile on their face.
I saw some skinheads whilst on my own. They shouted, "Blackie, go back home." But when I passed the skinhead club, all I could hear was the rubber dub.
Them dancing ska, ska all night long.